Hello guys, you use Moto Motorola G8 Power. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory, smoke black color. Okay, 5000 mAh battery we have. Look completion. In completion we have adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and key for SIM slot, and protected back cover. On the back side, quad camera, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side, 6.4 inch display. Resolution Full HD this display, IPS matrix. On the left side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side, power key, volume keys. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and upside headphones jack. Turn on display, turn on device. Android 10, this clear Android, pure Android, and open Geekbench 5. We have CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor 4+4 cores, CPU speed 1.8 and 2 GHz, Adreno 610 this GPU, resolution, display PPA, and look results, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Close this, Antutu benchmark score look. Okay, Antutu benchmark score. Close this and open the modded game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. On maximum graphic level, of course. Start game. Game works very good, without lags and glitches. Okay, perfect gameplay. Close this. And talk about camera. We have quad camera, 16 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.